Good morning, friends. Samir Gupta again with new topic for the day. And today's topic that we are going to discuss about is the NCB recharge and auto restore benefits that you have in your health insurance policy and how it affects your health insurance plan. So, till now, I think we have understood a lot about health insurance, the kinds of policies, the companies that we have to choose, how to choose the company, the waiting periods, the plans, the sublimits, the eligibility, and the exclusion, right? So, today, let us understand and discuss a few common jargons used in insurance called NCB, recharge, and auto restore benefits, which are prevalent in health insurance. First of all, let us understand NCB. NCB as no claim bonus that we call generally it's called NCB is the additional earning that we have for every claim free year. Uh, Probably this is our earning and this is our right in every policy. Wherever there is a no claim bonus, we have a right to get the no claim bonus if we have not made a claim in a particular year. So what it means that the company provides us an additional benefit or additional bonus, uh, probably at no extra cost, because the assumption is that when we have not made any claim, we are entitled for additional bonus. Or when you say additional bonus, I would say some additional benefit in terms of bonus, and this is what we generally call no claim bonus. This could be in two forms, either additional sum insured, they will increase the sum insured, or in terms of discount, or sometimes both. Uh, Many a times, most of the time, most of the companies give only additional sum insured, but there are some companies which also give discounts on renewal, and that is all what NCB gives you as a benefit. The NCB keeps accumulating over the years. If we have withdrawn claim continuously for over a period of number of years, and the NCV depends the how much nuclear bonus addition we will get is decided by the plan and the company we choose. It has been very clearly mentioned in the policy document as to what will be the additional benefit in every claim free year. So generally, what happens is it ranges from 50% to 150%. Some companies give 5% every year for 10 years. Some companies give 10% per year for 10 years. And there are new companies which give also 150% of the basic sum insured. And the term of the no claim bonus ranges from 1 to 10 years. Now, just for example, if you say we have a 10 lakh policy, a floater plan or a normal policy, uh, with a 25% NCP every year, the policy sum insured will double into 20 lakhs if we do not make a claim. That is the idea of a no claim bonus addition. And the important thing that we have to understand is that it is free and we don't have to pay any additional premium for that. When I say free, this 10 lakh becomes 20 lakhs. For 20 lakh insurance, we still pay premium for 10 lakhs only. We don't pay for 20 lakhs. That is the whole idea. And we also need to understand that the NCV will become zero. Most of the times, the NCV becomes zero upon renewal if you make a claim in any given year. Supposing I have a 10 lakh policy and it becomes 20 lakhs. And after becoming 20 lakhs, I make a claim. Now, this year I make a claim. Next year, when I renew my policy, whether I make a 1 rupee claim or a 1 lakh claim or a 10 lakh claim, next year when I renew my policy, my sum insured will be 10 lakhs. That is the idea of NCV, no claim bonus. No claim bonus comes only if there is no claim. If there is a claim, then no claim sets off and the policy becomes basic policy. And this is one of the reasons we always say take higher sum insured because NCB is not guaranteed no matter what, and it may not be there in any given year. Supposing I have just a viral fever and go get admitted and the bill is 50,000 rupees, still my NCB will get weighted off next year. Irrespective of the fact that I had 10 lakh NCB and I had just taken 50,000 claim, still the policy will become 10 lakhs policy. So that is the reason why we have to understand this. Now, the fact that I made a claim this year, next year was 10 lakhs. Now, next year I didn't make a claim. Again, the bonus starts accumulating in the policy. And again, after 4 years, I'll have 20 lakhs policy. 10 lakh also goes 20 lakh in next 4 years again if I don't make a claim. So this cycle keeps on going as long as the policy is live. So this is lifelong. So one is that. Second is as a value add, many companies what they have done is they have also started giving the rider called NCB guard or NCB coverage or NCB protection, no matter what they call it. But it's a rider which protects your NCB cover even if you make a claim. Supposing you take NCB card, it may cost you 5% extra, 2% extra, 3% extra, depending on the policy. But whatever you pay extra, then next year if you do make a claim, probably in this year also if you do make a claim, next year your policy NCB won't get weighted off. It will continue to be 20 lakh rupees. That is the idea. So NCB will not be affected even if you make a claim. So this is what happens is your policy will continue to be 20 lakhs even though you have made a claim this year. So that is very good advantage, and the cost of the NCB protector or a guard is very minimal, very minimal, maybe 1,500 rupees per year extra. So it's a good benefit that we can add on to our policy and then ensure that whenever a renewal happens, we can take this benefit. Now let's understand the recharge benefit in the health plan. When I say recharge benefit, probably this is one of the most innovative things that we have there. Uh, what does recharge do is probably if you have a 10 lakh policy and you have exhausted the entire 10 lakhs, recharge benefit kicks in and gives you additional sum insured in case of multiple claims or critical claims or uh, very serious major claims. So, supposing you have a 10 lakh policy and you have already made 10 lakhs claim and now you need additional insurance. So, in this case, what happens is this sum insured will increase again to the extent of the recharge benefit and then give you additional insurance. Imagine you have already made a 7 lakh claim in a 10 lakh policy and the next claim that you have made is 5 lakh rupees, but you have only 3 lakh rupees. So what happens is the recharge will kick in and give you the total benefit of 5 lakhs, even if you have a total 10 lakh policy and 3 lakh insurance. So here what happens is the amount of increase that will happen will be mentioned in the policy in advance, even at the time of taking the policy, and it will be as a what do you say, underwriting guideline. So it could range from 10% to 100%, depending on the policy and the company. And there are companies that are doing 100% recharge also, and there are companies doing 10% recharge also. And there are some companies which give 50% recharge. So this is how it works. Now, this will be available for every year, no matter whether you make a claim or not. The recharge benefit will remain the same. It will not increase or decrease as per your bonus. It will be a constant benefit and it will give you the every year as long as the policy is renewed on time. Uh, the probably again today the third thing that we're going to discuss is about auto restore, and auto restore in recent times is one of the most innovative, I would say, most innovative of the features that have been added to your health insurance policy. This was started by standalone health insurance companies, and now I think almost all the companies follow this feature. All of the companies have introduced this feature in their policy as a basic thing and standard. The basic idea is that earlier it was an innovative thing only for a few companies, and now it is a standard thing for all companies that auto restore is part of your policy, health insurance policy. What does auto restore do? It refills your basic sum insured to the extent of the basic sum insured in if your limit of insurance is exhausted. Now, let's understand this one thing very clear. Supposing you have a basic sum insured of 10 lakhs, bonus of 10 lakhs, and also a recharge of 5 lakhs. The total sum insured is 25 lakhs. Until the 25 lakh is not exhausted, auto restore will not kick in. So that is the idea of auto restore benefit. Now, uh, basically, this was done to ensure that in case of eventuality where there is no sum insured available for the customer, the floater policy, probably most of the times in the floater policy, there is one person who was admitted to a hospital and the bill is exhausted the entire sum insured. The other family members are denied, do not have any other insurance or any other benefit of insurance. So in this case, this particular feature will kick in into the policy and give you a total sum insured. Like supposing if you have a 10 lakh policy, it will add on 10 lakhs to the policy again and make sure that the other family members are not denied insurance for the rest of the year until renewal. Now, the only drawback in this was the uh, the claim auto restore claims can be made only for new claims and not for the claims that have already been paid. Now, for example, supposing there was a 10 lakh policy and the first claim was for an accident. Let's say it was for an accident, and this bill was around 3 lakhs. And then again, there was in the same year for the same person, there was a bypass surgery, and the claim was 8 lakh rupees. So here what happens is 3 lakh is already paid, 7 lakh is pending, 8 lakh is the next claim, 7 lakh is paid out of that. Now this 1 lakh, whatever is pending, is not payable because there is no other benefit there. So 10 lakh is cleared. For the next whatever rest of the year, this 10 lakh will kick in, but it will not pay for the if the hospitalization or the claim is due to that accident what was happened earlier or due to the bypass that has happened recently. So it will be paying the claim only in case of a new claim other than this two. So that is something you have to understand the difference between uh, auto restore and recharge. In recharge, it will pay for any and every claim, irrespective of what claim was made. It only enhances your sum insured. Whereas in auto restore, it refills your sum insured to give you a new sum insured, which will not pay for the claims which have already been made, and it will not pay for the same claim again. So this was the drawback. Now, again, as I keep telling you that innovation is the part of life, and innovation is what we have to understand that will be constant. So the recently launched new policies and products have combined this auto restore and auto recharge as one single benefit and giving you unlimited auto restore benefit for all ailments, including the existing ones. Supposing, as I told you in the earlier example, that you cannot make a claim for bypass or for the accident that happened or these complications. But in this particular new plans, it will pay for anything and everything like recharge and restore together. It will pay for recharge also and for restore also. So you can make a claim for anything. And most importantly, you have to understand that the auto restore benefit is unlimited in a year. Supposing there is a 10 lakh policy and 10 lakh is already claimed, and then we have auto restore kicks in, another 10 lakh is there, that also gets exhausted, then again they will restore 10 lakh. Like that, it will be unlimited number of times you can restore the auto restore the limit, sublimit, the insurance limit, and there is no end to that. So this is one very good option that probably should look at in our plan whenever we go for an insurance or if we have an existing insurance and we're going for renewal. Do we have this benefit in our policy? We understand that if we have a higher sum insured, this may not be required. But still, if it's coming free of cost at no extra cost to us, then I think this is a good advantage that we should always have and understand in our policy. This could be a very good kind of boon at the time of a claim. So finally, friends, let us choose the best option while buying or renewing our health insurance plan and see to it that whatever the things we have discussed till now in detail, these things are also very clearly understood by you. And when you choose a plan, you ask your agent for all these features and benefits. If your plan, what you're buying is having all this, then I think it's a good plan to go for. Then finally, when you choose all these benefits in one single plan, you compare the premiums and look at the claim ratio of the company and then accordingly decide your insurance plan. Call me for uh, detailed discussion on these and many more things about health insurance. If you are looking to buy a health insurance, please do give us a call at 98861 and 0026 and we can have a detailed discussion on this. If you did like the video today, please like it, share it, and subscribe to it so that we keep on giving you many more such things and continue to keep making videos for you and your family. Thank you. Have a good day.